Well, how was your day? I hope you are really good. Okay. So today we are going to learn about first thing, coding for kids. Okay. So first we will see what is coding, why we are using the coding. Okay. See, for human, as we know, for human being we have it. Suppose we have English language, we have Hindi language, we have Spanish, we have German, right? So for computer also we have several languages. Okay, because see, computer is the machine and computer don't understand our languages. Okay, even computer don't know what is English. So if you want to talk with your computer, if you want to give any instruction to your computer, so we can do with the help of coding. Okay, so we can say whatever we are searching in the computer, whatever, suppose if you want to shut down your computer, if you want to start your computer, okay, so this all are the instruction to our computer. Even in mobile phone also we have the same thing. Like suppose if you want to start your YouTube, or if you want to start your Facebook, Instagram, or anything. Okay, so how we will do that? With the help of our coding we can do all these things. So we can say with the help of coding we can create any animation, we can create any mobile apps, we can create any games. So this all are the coding. Okay, so understood everyone what is coding? Okay, so now we will start our main part for today, machine learning. Okay, so this machine learning is for the kids. Okay, like the age group 5 to 18, 20 we can say. Okay, so first of all, what is machine learning? Anyone know what is machine learning? Anyone have any idea what is machine learning? Okay, so first thing, what is machine learning? Before machine learning, we will see what is artificial intelligence. Okay, see, we have some machine. Do you know we have our automatic car? Yes, all of you. So in that we have to give some intelligence to that car, right? Even if you will take your washing machine, in the washing machine, if you will set anything like if you want to increase the temperature, right? If you want to increase any mode or anything, so for that we will require some intelligence to our machine, right? So with the help of artificial intelligence we can do that. So we can say in general, artificial intelligence is your set of program. Okay, so now see, we have some example which is related to your artificial intelligence. Okay, do you know we have Alexa, we have Siri? Yes, all of you. So why we are using Alexa? Even you can say like, hey Alexa, please play this song, or hey Alexa, please do this thing, right? So you are giving the command by using text, by using your speech, right? Internally, how Alexa is finding all these things? Just because of intelligence. See, we are a human being, so we have intelligence, right? But how you will intelligent to your machine? Machine in the sense like your computer, like your laptop, your mobile phone, or we can say the machine like your any robots. Okay, so with the help of our artificial intelligence, with the help of machine learning, we can give all these commands. Okay, see, we have some image recognition. Okay, like if you will open the camera, Do you know we have Snapchat filter? Like you can put any dog face or you can put any specs like that. So how we can do all this thing? With the help of machine learning. Okay? But so now we will see the next part how this is possible. Okay? So we can say this is possible with the help of our machine learning. Okay? And here we have some data, we have some algorithms. So by using that data, by using some algorithm, by using some training data, we can do all these things. Okay? So now I will explain you how you will do this. Okay? Let me show you. So now we will just search. So what you have to search here, you need to open your Google Chrome. What you can do, you can write all these steps in your notebook and after the class you can just perform this. Okay? So see, here you need to just search for machine learning for the kids. Okay? You have to press your enter button. You will get your first link, which is https://machine-learning-for-the-kids.co.uk. Okay. So this website is from the UK and we are using this website to create our program which is related to our machine learning. Okay. So over here, we need to just click on get started. So see, you are a first time user, okay? So you need to sign up. So once you will click on sign up, it will ask you a parent, teacher or leader of coding club. So you can select your first option. Over here, you have to just click on sign up. Once you will click on sign up, it will ask you your email ID, your password, everything. So put your email ID and password. So you are able to create your account here. Okay. So what I will do for today, or else if you don't want to create your account, you need to just click on try it now. Okay. So once you will click on try it now, you will get this interface, which is your machine learning project. Okay. So today we are going to create about cat and dog project. So cat and dog project means what? We will take some cat image, we will take some dog image. So based on our coding, based on our training data, what will happen? Machine automatically will recognize who is cat and who is dog. Okay? Because we have to give some intelligence to our machine. Okay? So how we will do this? You need to click on add a new project. See this one? Over here we have to write our project name. So I want to write my project name cat and dog. You can write any project name here. After that, the recognition type. See, here we have 4 types of recognition type. Okay. We have text, we have images, we have numbers, we have sounds. Okay. So, for today we want to recognize the image. Right. See, we have some cat image, we have some dog image. Right. So, if you want, you need to take a images here. So once you will take a image, you need to click on create button. So understood? You have to write your project name and you need to select your recognition type as a images. Yes, everyone? After that, we need to click on create button. So once you will click on create button, it will create one project for you. As you can see, we have cat and dog project and what is your recognition type? This is image. Now you need to first click here. what will happen? You will get three things. So first we have to train our machine, right? Suppose if you want to do the performance like your stage performance in a dance. So first you have to give some training to yourself, right? So here also if you want to create a machine who will recognize like who is dog and who is cat. So first you have to train your machine, right? So how you will give the training? You need to click on this train button. Okay. Once you will click on the train button, you will get, see, click on the plus button on the right, add your first bucket, and here you will get add new label. So we want cat and dog, so you need to click on add new label. Your first label is cat, click on add. So here you will get your cat label. After that, your second label, add your label, here we have dog. So you need to write dog, click on add. Okay, see we have cat label, we have dog label, right? Now after that what we have to do? We have to take some images which is related to your cat. We have to take some images which is related to the dog. Okay. So here we have three options. So what you can do, either you can draw the cat shape. Okay. So here you can draw the cat, or else what we can do, we can directly download the images from the internet. Okay. So how we will do that? So first I will minimize this. Okay. After that, see you have to take your screen like this and you need to take one more screen. Suppose I want to add one more Google Chrome. You have to put your screen here. So this is your second screen. See we have two screen here, right? So in my second screen, I will search for dog. Or first we have a cat, so I will search for cat. And you need to just go to the images. So here you will get some cat image, right? So what we have to do, we need to just drag and drop the image here. Suppose this is my first image. Wait, it is loading. Okay, so drag and drop your first image here. See, this is your first image. I want one more image here, so drag and drop your second image. After that, so at least we will require 6 to 7 images here, because see we have a different types of cat. We have colors like a black color, white color, so whatever color you want you can add here. See we have, this is our fourth image, then we have our fifth image. After that we can add this one also, this one also. So see how total how many images we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now same, we will add some images in dog. So what we have to do, we need to just search for dog. You will get some images. So whatever image you want you can add here. So this is my first image. This one is the second one. If you will scroll down, you will get lots of dogs. See, third one, fourth one. I want to add this one also. I want to add this black dog also. See, we have some images. So how many images you want you can add here. So minimum you can add 5 to 6 images, right? So now see, in our training data, we have all these images, right? cat image, dog image. So again you have to go to back to your project. See, we already trained our model. In the training part, we have two label, cat label, dog label. In the cat label, we have some images which is related to your cat. In the dog label, we have some dog images, right? Now you need to back to your project. Okay, so you understood how you will train your model. You have to specify some image here. Okay, after that we will see how you will test your model, how you will do learn and test. Okay, so for that we need to click on learn and test. So this is our second step in machine learning model. Okay, so see what we have here, what you done. Till now what you done here, you have collected examples of images for a computer to use to recognize when images are cat or dog. Okay. After that, what we collected here, 7 examples of cat and 9 examples of dog, right? After that, what is the next step? Ready to start the computer training. Okay. So, you need to click on train new machine learning model. Okay. So once you will click on train new machine learning model, it means we are checking like whatever we added here, that is correct or wrong. Okay. So it will take around 30 to 40 seconds based on your internet speed. Just wait for a moment. After that, we have to open this project in our Scratch. Okay. So see, everything is perfect till now. So here we can test with our webcam or we can test with drawing. So what you can do in the webcam, you can just click on this, your camera will start. You can, if you have a cat or dog, you can just click the photo of cat and dog, and based on that, automatically that will recognize whether that is cat or dog. Okay. Now, you need to again back to your project. Now we have to click on make. So, all of you understood? First step, you have to train your model. Second step, you have to test your model whether what you did that is correct or not. After that, you need to click on make. So once you will click on make, over here we have 3 options. Either you can open in your Scratch 3, or else you can do in your Python, or else you can do in your App Inventor. Okay. So for now, we will open this in a Scratch 3. Why? Because already we know what is Scratch. Because in our previous class, I told you what is Scratch, right? So, we need to click on Scratch 3. Everywhere. After that, it will show you one button which is Open in Scratch 3. Once you will click on Open in Scratch 3, now it will give you Scratch 3 user interface. Okay. Now, all of you, do you know what is Scratch? If you remember, I took 10 days Scratch course, right? Yes? Okay. So see, in your Scratch, you will get one additional block which is your machine learning for the, whatever you did here, we have our cat model, we have our dog model. So that you will get here. Okay. Now, what we have to do now? We have to add some images, which is your cat image. We will add some. So based on your machine learning, whatever you given in the training phase, based on that, it will recognize that image is cat image or dog image. Okay. So first thing we have to add one backdrop here. So what I will do, I will click on choose a backdrop. I want to do the painting here. Okay. So what I will do, I will take one color. Suppose red color. You can draw. We have to divide this. Okay. So this is my first part. You can write all these steps, okay? And after the class, you have to perform this, and in next Sunday, you have to show me, okay? Because in next Sunday also, I will take a class, okay? See, I want this color. After that, you can just change your color. And here, we have to give some dividation like this. So this is my second part. We can add like this. Here also. See? Then what we want, I want to write one text here which is in black color. Like this is my cat. And the second part, here we have a dog. You understood how you will create your backdrop? After that, we have to add some sprite which is related to the cat and which is related to the dog. Okay. So click on choose a sprite. We can just search for dog. So how many dogs we have? We have one dog. So this is my first one. So for this dog, we have to add some costume. Okay. So see, this is our first sprite. How you will add a costume? You need to click on costume. From here, see, already we have 4 costumes here. So we need to click on upload costume, or else if you want, you can just search here, choose a costume. Suppose we want cat. So you need to click on cat. We have our first cat. Again, choose a costume. Search for dog. Just randomly you can add some cat and dog images. Okay. So we have this dog. Again, we can choose a costume. So you need to search for cat, or else we have next option. What we can do, we can just search for cat image. Go to the images. After that, suppose if you want to download this image and you want to use this image, you can just right click, click on save images as, click on save. Okay. Now come to your project. What we can do, choose a costume. So if you want to choose existing costume, you need to click on choose a costume, or else what we have our next option, upload costume. So wait. So this is my cat. Open. You will get a cat here. Okay. From here, we can decrease the size, like I want only 50. So understood how you will add a sprite? See, we added our backdrop and we added our sprite. Okay. What is our next part? We have to start our coding part, right? Very good. Very good, Yogesh. Always we have to start from the event. Perfect. You remember that, right? Good. So how we will start our coding? We need to just click on event. So when flag is clicked, okay. So when flag is clicked, what we want here? We want to go to the middle position like 0, 0. So 0 and 0 is our middle position, okay, which is the middle part, okay. So we want to go here. So what we have to do when flag is clicked, so where you will get your go to x and y inside the motion, we have go to x and y, which is 0 and 0, okay. After that, what we want to repeat this, right? Like if the image is stat, so what will happen? This stat will come to here. If this is stop, it will come here, okay. So we have to take a repeat. Where we have this repeat? In the control, we have our repeat. See? Okay. So here we need to take our if condition. If, see, if this image, like the costume image is equal to your cat. So where you will get that? First we need to go to operator, take this equals to sign, okay. Now we have to just come to our machine learning. If your recognition image, right, this, if your recognition image, instead of this image, we need to take our costume image, which is this, because we added the costume here, right? Yes. So if that is equal to your cat, means this, okay. So what will happen? We have to say this is the cat, okay, where you will get your say block. You will get inside the looks here. Instead of hello, we have to write this is cat. Okay, what is this is cat for 2 seconds, for example. After that, it has to be go to some position. So suppose we have to take this position. In the x minus 129, in the y minus 8. Okay. So again you have to come to the motion. Take this. Go to x and y. And here I will take this here now. After that we have to show this cat. So you need to just go to the looks. You will get your show block here. All of you remember where you will get every block, and after waiting some second, now we want another image, right? So for that you need to go to control. You have to wait for suppose 1 second. Then we have to broadcast one message. So where we will get our broadcast? Inside the event, we have to broadcast suppose message 1. Same we have to do for dog also. So how we will do the dog? What I will do, I will right click here and you can just duplicate this and you need to put this block here. So what is this? If your recognition costume, instead of cat, we will take dog now. So here we have to add a dog. If that is dog, so it will say this is dog. And we will take this position. So what is this? Suppose 90 and 7. So here we will write 90. Instead of y, we will write 7. Okay. And it will broadcast one message. Now see, if I will click on flag, what will happen? See, this is cat. So you will get this position. See, this is working. But here we don't have our next image, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to just change the costume. Okay. So how we will change the costume? What is the code for that? Means see here we have a broadcast message one. So once we will receive that broadcast, means once when I receive my message one, I have to change the next costume. So here you will get your next costume and again it will go to your origin position. Means go to 0 and 0. Now see 0 and 0. Now see what will happen. This is cat, perfect. So you will get in, see this is dog. With the help of your machine learning, now see this is classified, this is cat, this is dog. Okay. So we can do all this